Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Hey YouTube fam, I got some collard greens along with some chicken wings, and then I got something for that sweet tooth. Sweet potato pound cake. But look, if you want to try this here recipe, I'm leaving the link below in the show more section. All you got to do is go down there and click on it. But today I'm doing southern style barbecue baked beans. I want to give a big huge shout out to my girl Tammy. If it wasn't for Tammy, I would have never tried this here recipe. So here are the ingredients. I got 2 cans of Bush's baked beans. You can use whatever type of flavors you like. Then I have some Earl Campbell's Polish sausage. Then I have a green and a red bell pepper with a yellow onion. And then we have some of this here Mike D's spicy barbecue sauce. If you want to try Mike D's, there's the link. All you have to do is go to his website, and I guarantee you will never be disappointed in using that. Then we got some of this here ketchup. Let's go. Then we got some molasses. What y'all know about that molasses? Give me some biscuit and butter. It's on. Then we got some dark black soy sauce, some yellow mustard, and some Worcestershire sauce, along with some chili powder, paprika, and dark brown sugar. Then we have some olive oil and some butter. Let's go ahead and get this recipe rolling, y'all. So the first thing we want to do is preset our oven at 350 degrees. The next thing I want you to do is find yourself a nice deep pot. Go ahead and add that olive oil to it. We're gonna heat this pot up. Once we got it heat up, I want you to go ahead and dice up your onions and your sweet bell peppers. And once they're diced up, add it to your pot. And then take your Polish sausage or your smoked sausages, whichever type of sausages you like, and just add it to this here pot along with the veggies. Only thing we want to do is combine and brown these up. So once your sausages are brown, then you're ready for the next step. I definitely want to give a big, huge shout out to my man Galen and my girl Riri, the Wonder Twins. My man Galen turned me on to these Earl Campbell sausages, and man, they was good. I ain't gonna lie, they banging. And I got somebody coming from Texas sending me 3 more packs of these. I got to have it, y'all. I'm telling you. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add basically all of our ingredients except for that stick of butter. Please don't add that stick of butter to the rest of this here. I'm telling you, y'all. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with the butter next. But go ahead and add everything else to the pot. Now, since we got everything pretty much mixed in, well, added to the pot, we're gonna go ahead and mix everything up. All right, make sure you mix everything up real good. We're gonna let this simmer right now for like 5 minutes on top of that stove. All right, with medium high heat. Now what we're gonna do
We're gonna go ahead and take that butter that we got, not the whole stick, but just enough. Find you a nice deep baking pan that's gonna hold all of those beans. I'm telling you, y'all. Then I want you to go ahead and just butter up that pan. Get every crevice, every side. Don't leave nothing undone. Once that's done, go ahead and pour your beans right into your baking dish. Go ahead and take you some aluminum foil and cover your pan up. All right. So I want you to take this, put it into your already heated up oven at 350 degrees. Let this sit for about 45 minutes. Let it cook for 45 minutes. Once 45 minutes is done, pull it out. Then I want you to remove your aluminum foil. Lord have mercy. Look at this here goodness. I'm telling you, Tammy, you did your thing, my sister. Yes, sir. Look at that goodness. Now I want you to go ahead, once you remove the foil, put it back into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once that's done, pull that baby right on out the oven. Go ahead and serve this baby right on up. Don't it look so good? This is barbecue. Baked beans, southern style. Come on here, y'all. You know we countrified folk. This how we do. Yes, sir. Don't they look good? Yes, sir. Country style barbecue baked beans. I want to say thank you guys so much for checking out Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill. This is what I need you guys to do. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you want to become a Ray Matt family member, it's easy. All you have to do is just click on my photo, and then you'll become a Ray Matt family member once you hit that subscribe button. I always say this at the end of my videos: love and not hate. Peace.